What a pie. It's live video. She's just glass out there. There they are. She's weaving in and out. First time we've ever had to go in because of limits. On a beautiful flat day. A bit right. Scraping this guy over here. It's plenty deep.
I know, I'm gonna go here too though.
Let's see. 35 feet.
I know, but there was a going to red needle.
I should have videotaped it catching that fish. Here's where we're headed. Like about.
Oh, kayak. See, you can't even see him.
Where?
Right straight in front of me.
Oh, she almost hit a kayaker. Captured on film.
Okay, you're up.
Okay, I guess we better sign off.